IKEA LÄMPLIG, a top quality kitchen trivet for your house. A kitchen is a place where you can express your feeling through the food you are cooking. Therefore, it is important to keep your kitchen clean and neat. Wipe the kitchen table and countertop regularly is one of the methods to do that. However, you also need to provide a place where you can put your pan or pot on the kitchen countertop without damaging or make it dirty. This is where you need an IKEA LÄMPLIG product. The design. IKEA uses a simple design for this kitchen trivet. At glance, it may not seem that significant. However, if you see it, you can find out that this is a perfect kitchen utensil for the kitchen with minimalist or modern interior design. Many houses today use this kind of design, so it could be a perfect addition to your kitchen. But even though you have a classic style kitchen, this IKEA LÄMPLIG kitchen trivet is also perfect and will look great in it. The features. On the bottom part of this trivet, you can see the Trivet Feet that are made of synthetic rubber. This is a good choice. This material gives it a strong grip, so it can't move easily when you use it on your table or kitchen countertop. This is important to avoid an accident that can be dangerous for you. For example, if it doesn't have these anti-slip feet, when you put some hot food on top of it, it could be slipped and hit people near the table. The plastic feet also protect your table surface from scratch when you move it around. Moreover, the feet and the two-layer design also provide a good distance between the hot pan or pot you put on top of IKEA LÄMPLIG and the table surface. You don't need to worry that the heat from the pan will damage the table surface with this unique design. The other things that we also like are how easy it to clean is. After you use it, there may be some food splash or ingredients falling on top of it. Or, there is a mark because of the heat from the pan or pot. To clean it, you just need to use a clean cloth and warm water. Use a few drops of mild dish detergent and you can remove all kinds of stains from its surface. Even though it has a small size, it is made of strong stainless steel. Therefore, it has high durability. You can even put a quite heavy pot on top of it and it won't be damaged or bent. Plus, it won't also damage the table surface where you put it. Moreover, with this material, you can use the IKEA LÄMPLIG kitchen trivet for a very long time. Conclusion. People tend to forget the importance of kitchen trivet, but if you see what the IKEA LÄMPLIG kitchen trivet features, you will know that you need it. For that reason, you can also get this product for the best benefits you can get from a kitchen trivet.